We are a medium-sized company founded in 1921. We offer standard parts for tool and mold makers. We provide these both as standard and as custom solutions.
For STRACK, the customer is absolutely at the center.
We have a catalog with more than 100,000 items. This is of course also reflected in the ERP area.
For us, the challenge was to find the right ERP system that would allow us to handle this variety of products and variants. The decision-making process was not easy for us. This is the third ERP transition I have experienced.
Our previous system showed that heavy customization is difficult, particularly for updates consuming many resources. Here at our company, in addition to regular trading operations, we also have a very large custom manufacturing and small batch production. And thanks to the capabilities of COSMO Discrete Manufacturing, the functions we need are covered.
We had absolutely massive, I would say combinatorial, failures in both hardware and software, which at times led to complete and total standstills in the company.
That's why it was clear to us from the very beginning that we wanted a system that works with standard features, with standard extensions, and no more customizations.
Our selection was also strongly influenced by the question of what the future will look like. There are two major providers in the market.
We want to have as few interfaces as possible, ideally always deal with a single provider, have everything from one source, all in one solution, and that's why we ended up choosing COSMO, because COSMO offers many extensions to the Business Central standard.
And as a medium-sized enterprise, we are looking to fully benefit from Microsoft's incredible innovative strength.
That means we don't have to develop anything ourselves. Instead, the Microsoft standard is simply evolving quickly enough and, for example, is adapting extremely well to topics like AI.
Our vision is that more and more companies will move to the cloud, more and more employees will work from home, or when I'm on the road as a field representative visiting customers, I want to have exactly the same access as I do here at the company. For us, it was clear that the path should lead to the cloud.
You have to keep in mind that every single update used to require the full commitment of the entire team. So, with a cloud-based solution like this, we feel much better taken care of than before.
With certain customers, it's very risky when I tell them that I'm going to change something as central as an ERP system. If we make the switch and the customer doesn't even notice, that's the best possible outcome for us, and honestly, most customers didn't even notice.
With COSMO, we've found a partner who is strong in industrial solutions.
Because we are no longer restricted by update cycles like we were in the past. Our dedicated staff members can now concentrate much more effectively on their day-to-day work.
With the current solution we have now, we benefit from everything operating very smoothly, allowing us to focus on the activities we truly enjoy.
A new ERP system is a big responsibility for a managing director. When I walk through the company day after day and see that things keep getting better and that we are now much more effective than before we had the system, that makes me proud and gives me a very good feeling.